It's variety time, so if you want to see what's in all these different boxes, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me, and Chloe's out taking a walk. But if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So, I have a little bit of variety unboxing for you tonight. And we're just going to try to get through things without going over too much in detail to make this a not too long video. As you can see, I got a little sunburn from that beach the other day. And I was putting on a lot of SPF. Okay, the first box is Maniology's Manny and Me. This is out of Honolulu, and it's nail stamping. Okay, last month they sent me camping. This time it's Bigfoot Crossing. That was the camping one again. It does give you some ideas. Some photos. I'm not that advanced. We have 2 polishes. So here are the colors, and then they also have, so that if you store your polishes like this, you can actually see on the top. So you simply pull that off, open it up, and put your swatch of color on there so you know what it is. That one. Then there is a sticker. You could maybe put this on your mug, a travel mug. We have our stamping plates. And then this Let's Go Camping, which I got in the last one too. It's just like planning it out. Next we have Allure. This is a mixture of full size and samples. It runs around, I want to say 21 or 23 a month. You do get a little product guide, and there is your sneak peek. So the very first product is full size. This is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. It's packed with vitamin C. It's a peach tinted formula, and it blends easily into the skin to hydrate and brighten. This is a $44 value. There we go. That is how it looks. I don't want to open it yet because I do have a couple of eye creams going right now, and they are pretty newly opened, so I want to hold off on opening that. But Ole Henriksen is a great brand. I've liked everything I've gotten from them so far. Next, by Acadderma, the Oasis Barrier Booster Serum. And it says it has a calming effect on irritated skin. There's olive leaf extract and Centilla asiatica, an herb that's been used in centuries to treat wounds and repair signs of redness. 30 milliliters goes for $68. This is 8 milliliters. And there is how that looks. So I will be trying that soon. Matter of fact, let's put a little bit of this right on that sunburned area right there. Now don't be afraid to take your serums. Like, you know, if you get subscription boxes like me, you get a ton of these things, and don't be afraid to use them on other than your face. Because if they're okay for your face, they're typically okay for your arms, your hands, your elbows, whatever it is. And since this does have something that's, look at that, wow, meant to heal wounds with sunburn, maybe it'll help that. Next we have this little sample by Naturopathica, and this is a calendula cream. It's a buttery balm that's hydrating. Penny-sized blob will nourish your entire face. It has anti-inflammatory calendula to soothe irritation, and it has a calming aroma, it says. Okay. It's $20 for 1.69 ounces. Now, this is obviously not 1.69 ounces. This is Come on. This is 0.17 ounces. Come on. Hi, buddy. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, you want some attention? This is Buddy. He's a very sweet boy. His brother, Azul, is not so sweet. When his brother, Azul, doesn't get what he wants immediately, he scratches my furniture. Not this couch that you see, but a lot of my other furniture. But Buddy never does that, do you, Buddy? You never do that. It does have a nice scent. It does have... Next is the Pound Cake Red Velvet Cake Batter. It's a liquid lip. It is a matte lipstick. It looks like it's kind of darker berry, so that might be a color that I would enjoy. Let's see. Ooh, I don't know. That looks kind of bright red. I'm not sure about that. I'll leave that as is. This is a $26 value. By Sakawan is the After the Sun hair treatment. Ooh, I could use that. This is a $37 value. Full size. And it's made with hydrators like glycerin and castor oil to help replenish the moisture that's stripped away by the heat of the sun. It says to use it as leave-in, or if your hair feels extra dry, apply it like a mask and rinse after about 20 minutes. And then the last by Bioma is the Creamy Jelly Cleanser. I love a jelly cleanser. So full size is 5.9 ounces for $11.99, which is a great price. This is 1 ounce, so it is a deluxe sample. It's a good size, though, for a cleanser. And it says that it lathers into a super silky cream that hydrates your skin. It does have ceramides in it, so very nice. Next is my Lani Lacana Ohana Beach Box. Under the Sea is the theme. It comes with this gorgeous postcard. It's not something you could mail, but you could certainly put that to something as a picture. We have this adorable little coin purse. Look at how cute that is. I've got zero chance of keeping this. Zero chance. Fair Trade, overseen globally by the Fair Trade Railroad Organization, is about providing reasonable prices, decent working conditions, and local sustainability, and equitable terms of trade for workers. So very nice. That is gorgeous. Next, we have a lotion bar in Ocean Tides, perfect for elbows, knees, and feet by Anna Soaps. Ooh, it smells very nice. I'll put a little bit. Oh, is this a soap? Wait. Oh, it's a lotion bar. Okay, lovely. It's a lotion bar. You push it up, and it will actually just kind of like pop up. Which is weird. Usually I see that in cardboard, not in like a plastics. Okay, I like that. Nice. We have our jewelry in here. And we have this set of studs made from clay. Super, super cute. I love this little starfish. And then this is the stone and pearl bracelet set. So it has a little pearl right there. Gorgeous. Love the blues. And then last in here by L&Z Fashion is this gorgeous like blue tie-dye kimono. This is like a nice weight too. Like this is not flimsy. Oh, I like that. It's got a nice length too. So it's not like super short, but yeah, I like that. Love the colors, love the weight of it. And last we have my 2 coffee subscription. So this is the single cup club. I get this from Cratejoy, and I do get the flavored box. This month we have red, white, and blue coffee. This is from Patriot Joe Coffee in Howard, Wisconsin. So all the coffees are from Wisconsin. And it says cherry, lime, and blue raspberry. Oh, okay. It's the original Bomb Pop in a cup. I'll give it a try. Raspberry Amaretto from Howard, Wisconsin. I guess limited edition is the brand. That'll be a nice iced coffee. And Hawaiian Hazelnut. And that is Barista's Best Coffee, also in Howard, Wisconsin. So, excellent. So, there you go. And then last from the Coffee Beanery is their ice cream truck box. And I do like when they label them, so yay. Because otherwise I just have 1, 2, 3, 4 sitting in my, they used to just be numbered, so I like it when they label them. We have Strawberry Crunch Bar and Orange Dreamsicle. My daughter will love those. Chocolate Taco and Ice Cream Sandwich. Those are totally me. And, the Chocolate Taco has waffle cone with French vanilla ice cream. Chocolates and nuts. Ooh, yum. All right, so that's my little variety unboxing. Let me know your thoughts. What did you like? What were you into? What do you think about those coffee flavors? I have to tell you, sometimes the weirdest ones actually don't taste bad when I have them as iced coffee. So hot coffee, maybe not. And you also have to be careful not to use a flavored creamer with those fruity ones, because that could really make it go south real quick. So that's the other tip that I have for you. But definitely use iced coffee. The Shirley Temple one from one of the boxes last month, it was Coffee Beanery, was actually quite tasty as an iced coffee. The Pina Colada was also, I haven't tried the lime margarita one. That's a level of bravery I haven't gotten myself up to. But fun flavors. So anyhow, please consider hitting the like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.